draunien vraz hag aver emenechou roc'hellek Colorado, San Luis ar Air Duty. Douar o krin o kinnig geo treut a rouez da c'hezek gwez. Va ribl reter an draunienman e ka aver Great Sand Dunes, te vinier o lugerni en un ergelc'h mysterius. E harz meneioù Sangre de Cristo, o sevel da vil 300 metrat, ez eus bet berniet 13 gant an ael a het degadou a gant vejoù. A restel 13 savet gant an natur a ze blant ramzel e kichen an dud vunut. Evel kalz a vizitourienal on be broudet gant an trez da c'hoari gato a lipat gant ma flanken kriben an tevinier. Amman e Great Sand Dunes e kaver an tevinier trez uel a zo e North America. Sa edin bet gant an nael goude mag e serret alennou hag a oad a goulz marevez ar skorn. Gwarezet deus an ael gamenechou Sangre de Cristo e an teviniarman un dezers. Tomber o en an hag o tisken igel din d'an zero e kerz ar goan. Un test deus Amerika en amzerioù kent. Serc'h a distuz an douar ya gure. Met douar ou skarnilet San Luis a zo treuzet ga deilster vras Colorado a Rio Grande. Daoust man e ket gwalzelez eg diouzhe an c'hoaz, pemañ ou paouez trinka diouzhe yenen e menechou San Juan. Trawar e kouskoude, vid ma vije gellet labourat douar ar stepen nouman. Apazigwe an e kontre Hooper, 9 kilometraj ou pellor, e kav an un tamm glas vez en drodin. An maman o vant d'ober an aoudegez ga Michael a Sarah Jones. Abaoe pevar rummat e ve labouret an douar an man gant o famil.
Hi, Michael.
Hello.
I'm really pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the farm. It's one of the cornerstones or the holy grail of our farm is to have as many diverse crops as we can. So that's something we strive for. Over here we have a white Sonora wheat crop, which was supposedly the first grain that the Spanish brought to America. So you'll notice everything we grow is somewhat specialty. We try to put a label on it. We try to do everything that's not just a big commodity, but something that's a special variety and something that we can market and people really enjoy.
Ober an anaoudegez gant ul labourer douar digemerus a digor. Fouge de Michael o tigaz da jonj e mai familier vro, di boe penkenta ar c'hanvedal.
My great-great-grandpa moved to the town of Hooper, which is right over here, and that was late 1800s, early 1900s. They moved to Colorado, and then his son went to World War I, came home, and then started the farm. So my great-grandpa was the first one to start this farm.
Labouret ve an douar dre gelc'hioù braz a ve douret gant ur pezmel mekanik a zaj dour deus a Rio Grande. Met ur storm pemdezieg evit an dour e gouni deo stadou diouz an dezers.
And just like that, when I turn it on, our pumps are going to kick on over here where our reservoir is. And there's an underground pipeline that comes straight to us right here, down the pipe and through the nozzles. If this thing's off for 2 or 3 days, it can mean significant crop reductions or crop failure if you can't get them fixed. So It is definitely a problem here. So it just seems that it's a resource that always seems we get less every year. So this is climate change, this is management, there's all sorts of things that have contributed to this. But every aspect of our farm definitely centers around water conservation. That is the bullet point number one on any of our goals. It's a tough balance as far as trying to figure out how much you can do to build soil, how much you can do to build revenue and income versus just simply how much water you have. So that's the land we live anyway. So resources get more scarce, water has gotten more scarce. We have definitely tried to get more value out of everything we produce. So that's definitely, again, a cornerstone of our business model.
Goude blave chou a labourdouar custum et tiviz a stad Michael mont war un nen neve gant a labourdouar biologel. E o tregez war ar biologiez a jikour az an eo da lakad teknikou neve e plas. Un dibab gre devid mat yechet o frenerien, me devid doujat an douar a an endroie.
I think my grandpa was probably a little skeptical when we started doing the organic, but at the end of the day, we're still farming and we're getting some traction. So just managing weeds and doing some of that stuff and plant fertility, those are all challenges we've definitely had to pick up and learn over the last couple decades. I don't know, it's a challenge, but it's also just kind of, in certain ways, it's just more fun to try to come up with new ways to do things. And honestly, that's just kind of, my dad and I are fairly like-minded on we're never going to do something the same. We're always going to try to find something new and a new way to do things. So.
A setu Sarah hag ar vugal e o tigweout e keit ma vann o tout la cause ga Michael.
Hello. You guys can get out and say hi. Hello.
How are you?
Sarah, these are my girls.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, girls.
You ready
How are
for-
you? And the dog?
Good.
Oscar?
Yep, Oscar, Opal, and Jules for being shy. Say
How
hi
are
to
you,
Dad.
girls?
Can you say hi?
Plarker deus California e Sarah, beganet e Los Angeles a besaet e San Diego. Anvet e doa Michael er skolveur a diviz et gati heulianian.
Let's do it.
Emañ bremañ e karg deus gwerzh ar produioù en atan.
Okay, we see you later,
Oscar.
Michael.
Sounds good.
You can go with Dad. I always say, like, raised on the burbs, you know, in the suburbs and the beach, not in agriculture at all, and never thought I would be living on a farm. So, and I had started to do the sales and marketing while in Denver for Michael's dad, for his potatoes. So I was able to start building a lot of those relationships and starting to establish those markets, and we pretty much knew that we were able to create like a niche market.
John's farm o geunig e en atan nemetan e c'hornad o labourat en un doare bio.
There's times where it's definitely discouraging, right? Being surrounded and driving around and seeing just all the conventional fields, you know, and just sort of the big ag look. You know, it can be hard because we're such a small percentage. It's like 1% organic farms. Yeah, but I always say, like, you know, don't ask why it's so expensive. We should be asking why it's so cheap, right? Like, why is that chicken cost that? Because as a farmer, we know what it costs to produce that. And there's no way you can be getting like substantial nutrient dense food for that, you know, for that cost.
So we just moved in a month ago. So
En ur zegoueoù d'an ti e verz er vardro mekanikou a ziskouez momket en un atan dister, met en ur gwir embregerez a vemeret ga Sarah, Michael hag evreur Rob.
come on in. And my notebook. Magical notebook. We can go to the front door.
I need to myself just like keep my head down and do what I'm doing, right? And if you sort of listen to the anti-organics, it's easy to get caught up in that, you know, like, oh, a new report came out and organic is no different than conventional and the same amount of, you know, residue or chemicals were found, right? And you're like, And then a few people posted and are laughing or commenting, but you just have to shake it off. And to me, that's more of a challenge, because when the big guys start getting threatened by the 1%, like, you know, to me that's telling me like, oh, we're starting to like do something right, or we're starting to scare them a little bit.
Traunien San Luis e an neil korn a deus ar stad o unanet vi gonit aval o douar. E daou vilen varnugen da heul a c'hovid e va beret da Sarah a Michael kemer e kar kaso machadour e zo unan, prena ur c'harsam hag implijet ur blenier. Ur pez labour-roza a zo e kark Sarah var ar pemde.
This is my list of customers. I've got about 30 different customers for our wheat and potatoes that I sell direct to. So that means like it's not going through a middleman, you know, distributor. Michael and Rob to bring the potatoes down to the warehouse, who washes and sorts and boxes them. And I do all the just logistics on, you know, timing and how much do you want and what kind of packaging and the cost. And then Michael's mom and I do the invoicing.
Tost daou uged milat an aga ver e Colorado orei labour da zaouc'han mil den, men eus nemet pem kan an neu anvet da at an bio. Gant diegi e kuitan Sarah a Michael, tud mennet da gaz varog o labour en despet d'un endro na ze blanke bea ato deus an esatout.
Exactly where mine ends. I have tried my